Hello and welcome, it's Jelly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia, and I'm doing a piece of art today on this 40 by 40 canvas, and I'm going to use my mini blower. I haven't used it for quite a while, so I'm going to use my mini blower. Definitely want you to focus on the good and live in the moment. That's exactly what I'm going to do now. And of course I will be using somewhere along this track my trusty old balloons. Fantastic piece of art tool I will be using. And yesy, let's get started. So my dog's giving me funny looks. Not that she doesn't normally. I'm going to just start the base with a coat of squirting my white on. So this is my normal acrylic paint, which is global impasto. I've got a few messy bits in there. I could actually do this, spread it out with my little what do you call it? Sponge brush, but I just chose to do it with the offset spatula, which I also like, but I'm going to go over the edges with my fingers. It's a nice way to make sure you've got your edges coated. Nice and easy way actually. This doesn't matter, it's going to get worked on anyway, so just wanted to have a nice amount of paint on that there. And as usual, I've forgotten I always forget to bring over a cloth, which is important to wipe your dirty bits up, so always have a cloth handy. I just keep reusing and rewashing. Rightio, I wanted something really nice and colour filled and a summer gardenish, because I know lots of you are having summer at the moment and we're in winter, but it's always bright and uplifting. I have some of my champagne gold, which is 50% gold and 50% silver metallic, so it really makes this lovely champagne colour, which I just love. Ooh, sorry about it. I want to squirt every last bit out. As you hear in the bottom of all of my bottles of paint I make up, I put some marbles, so it helps the paint mix. But just when you come to squeezing the last dribbles out, the marbles block it up a little bit, but that's absolutely fine. Rightio, now I'm going to use some of this lovely magenta. All these colours have been pre-made up, so my dogs have come in and decided they're going to have a party, I think. Hey you guys, behave. Oh, I tell you, that magenta and that gold looks just stunning. Now I'm going to add some purple in the mix. Always love this particular style. It's always fun to do, and you usually get a winner chicken dinner. Rightio, and to brighten the whole thing, some yellow. Ooh, and then we'll go with some bright red, which I think is the cool red. The cool, it's pretty cool. One of my favourite styles to do is, like, you can just go crazy and it's all good. All good. A bit more white in here. And then I might add just a tiny bit of the real, I think I've got some darker purple here, like my Berry Delicious. I'll just check it. Oh, I kind of don't want too much, I guess, of that because it's pretty dark. So there's a bit of that in there. And then I will add along the bottom, or should I say the top edge, this is the ultraviolet purple, and it's just mixed with Floetrol. So I'm going to add some of that here because I want to blow some of the paint upwards. So I'm going to add, and this is the white with only Floetrol, because I want to blow these paints upwards to give it some movement. Rightio, that's my next stage. I'll just see what I get with this. I'm going to use this little mini blower. If you're looking, it's called the world's smallest blower. I have got a link at Capriole Shabby Chic online that I got this from, and you can also get attachments. I'm not sure, I don't think this attachment comes with it, but it's good because it gives the whatever you're blowing a nice shape. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, I'll bring the camera down a second. That's given some lovely wispy effects. I'm going to just use my stronger blower to blow some of that white. Like that. Now I just want to blow it all up. Wonder if I do that. Oh, probably not. I'll stick with the plan, I think. So I'm going to put another line of this purple along here. And I'm going to use my soft plastic file divider to actually swipe the opposite way now. Jeez Louise. Come down. So just tipping the very tip of the file divider into the paint. Oh, wowzers, wowzers. It's like a million gems in there. I'm going to just wipe it off on the end so the paint just drips over the end. Just drop the file divider into your colours. Oh, that is a winner winner chicken dinner. Those colours will just fall over the edge. Beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty, pretty, pretty. Rightio. I'm going to just hit it with my heat gun. Now I will get a smaller piece of plastic to help me with some embellishments, which I need a thin piece, so course, you can always cut a thin piece up. Just got this plastic that I've obviously used a trillion times, and I'm just gonna do some nice little tendrils, is that what you call them? So it gives a really nice feathering effect. When I bring the camera down close to see this effect, you'll see how it's just gorgeous. It just really, yeah, I think adds to your piece. Oh, always so pretty, 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 pretty. Okie doke. Now, when it's at this stage, you can either just leave it to dry off for even half an hour to allow the paint to soak into the canvas. If you're not very, or you don't consider yourself very good at doing balloon kisses, it is a better way to do it. It allows the paint to dry in to the canvas a little and absorb some of the paint and get just slightly tacky, but not too tacky that it lifts back up on the balloon. So I am going to just leave this for maybe 15 or 20 minutes and I'll come back and balloon it. But I want to bring you down and have a look at that gorgeous cells in there. Just looky at these absolutely phenomenally gorgeous effects in there. Couldn't dream it. You couldn't dream it. If I dreamed in colour like this, you would never want to wake up. Absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning. Look at those. That bird you can hear in the background is the black cockatoo out in my yard. Wow, wow, wow. Because I have the metallic in there and the gold, it's really left it like glistening in there. Then those bits and the tendrils. See, they've got nice lacy effects even in the tendrils. So on with the next exciting bit. Okie dokie, back to the drawing board with the gorgeous, gorgeous balloon artifacts on it. So, the balloon art magic. Let's grab your balloon, put it in between those, second and third finger, hold the belly button, so the balloon's nice and soft, not too taut, and then you can really put, you know, a good pressure on it, providing you've got the, oh look at the cells in that, providing you've got the right paint texture. I happen to have a spare canvas here, so I'm going to do 2 for 1 and start loading some of my balloon kisses up onto the canvas. Yummy, yummy. Okie doke. Just try wiping your balloon off in between every balloon kiss, because it'll just stop your paint from going muddy. Then I will wipe it off again. I'll do those all along the top. Absolutely gorgeous. Those colours are really, really gorgeous together, really bright and uplifting. So if you need to check them out to if you want to do a piece of art in the same colour, just check out the colours that I mentioned as I layered them and write them down and go for it. Enjoy. So this literally is going to be a balloon covered, balloon kiss canvas, the second one. I'm going back over those areas I've kissed in. Probably better to do it with my balloon that I just put a bit of water in it. So I just kiss back in the center of where I've already done the balloon kisses. And it just leaves a really nice effect in there. Sort of really finishes off the flowery look, I guess. Oh, I've run out of space on my other canvas, but that's good. That's good. I think I'll try and do some more little balloon embellishments so it looks like, oh, butterflies and firefly. Oh, look at that. They are gorgeous. Rightio, let's try. That might be a bit too much paint on it to dip straight away up here. If I want to get some little light delicate effects, like they look like those really do look like dragonflies. I think that's going to be too much there, but let's see. Oh, that's really adding to a beautiful summer garden effect. Super duper. Okay, I think I'll just use the bigger balloon to do a few more down in this area. So, oh, look at that. To wipe it off. These are rolling off the bottom. So to really make a beautiful kind of feathered effect on the bottom of the canvas. I think that's all I need to do with that size balloon. Maybe as it dries, I will just embellish it a little bit more with this small balloon. But those are absolutely gorgeous. I've done this one quite a while ago now, the same as this, on a hexagon canvas, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. That's down in Sydney now. It should be at my brother's house if my darling granddaughter has delivered it like she should have. Rightio, I think that is gorgeous. I'm going to bring you down, have a look at this. It is really stunning, stunning.